Hi everyone, I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this tutorial I'm about to show you how you can fix too many attempt please try again later error on Telegram application. In this following video I will be showing you step-by-step tutorial. All you have to do is make sure to watch the video till the end and follow the instruction correctly. So before we get started, make sure that you've updated your Telegram application to the latest version, and also make sure to check your internet connection. These kind of interface appear whenever you're trying to log in into your account and you've made too many attempts and you've also entered wrong information or your login information. So the first step what you can do is, in order to fix this, is simply long press on the Telegram application, or you can simply tap on settings icon, and once you do that, tap on app info. Next page you will be directed into more detail about app info. You can see in the bottom right corner there's force stop. You'll have to tap on it. So once you tap on it, there's a confirmation, so make sure to tap on OK. As you tap on it, on the other side, try logging into your account and this might actually work. Instead of doing this as well, you're still facing similar problem, then what you can do is long press on your Telegram application once again and then tap on app info, and after you do that, tap on storage. On the other page you'll have to tap on clear cache. So once you tap on clear cache, once again go back to your Telegram application and then try login into your account. So after doing this as well, you still face a similar problem, then what you can do is you can simply restart your device, and after that you'll be able to solve your problem. So after following all of these methods, you still face a similar problem, so you'll have to wait for 24 to 48 hours, and after that you'll be able to fix Telegram too many attempt please try again later issue on your device. These were a few of the methods on how you can fix Telegram issue. So that is all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.